Hi everyone, my name is Justin and today I'll be teaching you how to replace an outlet. This is really a simple task, but it is important for us to know the safeties and the procedures on how to replace an outlet safely. To start off, we need a few basic tools. We need the wire cutter, some Kleins, a Phillips screwdriver, a brand new outlet, a flathead screwdriver, and an electrical plug tester. First, place the outlet tester into the outlet so we can make sure it's off when we turn off the breaker. Once you see the light on the outlet tester, head on outside to your breaker box and open the cover to see all the breakers. Find the breaker that is associated with the outlet and turn the breaker off. Once the power is gone, remove the outlet tester from the outlet. Take your flathead screwdriver and remove the cover of the outlet. Once the cover is gone, switch to your Phillips screwdriver and remove the top and bottom screws in order to remove the outlet from the box. From here, head on to the right side of the outlet and you will see two brass screws. These screws are what we call the black or hot screws that connect the outlet to the power lines of the breaker box. Unscrew the two brass screws and then remove the wires away from the outlet. Flip the outlet sideways to go to the white wires with the silver screws. These are the neutral wires. Next, you'll want to unscrew both silver screws to remove the neutral wires. Finally, you have your green screw, which is your ground wire. Unscrew the green screw and remove the copper wire from the green screw. You then want to separate the wires based on their color. Black wires were black, white wires were white, and ground wire which is all copper by itself. Now it is time to prepare our new outlet to be installed. Remember, black wire goes with brass screws, white wires go with silver screws, and the brown copper wire goes with the green screw. To start, unscrew both brass screws, not fully, and take the black wires and stab it on the upper holes of where the screws are. Once the wire is in the hole, tighten the brass screw and give the wire a little tug to make sure that the wire is safe and secure. Repeat this process until both black wires are fully secure. Flip the outlet over and repeat this process for the white screws and secure both the white neutral wires. Be sure to give the wires a small tug to make sure they are fully secure. Finally, we have the ground wire. Use your pliers to straighten the copper wire. Using your pliers, make a small curve on the end of the copper wire. This will wrap around the green screw and act as your ground wire. Once the ground wire is wrapped around the green screw, fasten the green screw completely and make sure the wire is secure. Once all wires are fully secure, it is time to put the outlet back in the box. Pull the outlets and the wires out to straighten it. Once the wires are straightened, make a dent on the end of the wire inside the box to make it S-shaped. Once that is done, you can push the outlet back into its box much more easier. Using your Phillips screwdriver, take the 2 long silver screws you took out and put them back in place to secure the outlet's position. Finally, take the outlet's cover and using your flathead screwdriver, fasten the cover back in place. Head on back to the breaker box and open the cover. Find the breaker that you turned off and switch it back on, and then close the cover of the breaker box. Once that is done, make sure the 2 bright lights on the outlet tester are on. And this was how to replace an electrical outlet. I hope this video was very informative and helpful for you guys. Tune in next time for more electrical videos tutorials. Until the next video, see you then.